In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Notion with Google Calendar. This guide will take you through the process of integrating your Google Calendar directly into a Notion page, providing a seamless one-way sync that's sure to enhance your productivity. Whether you're scheduling meetings, keeping track of deadlines, or simply organizing your day, having your calendar readily accessible in Notion can be a game changer. To begin, open Google Calendar in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the Google account associated with the calendar you wish to embed. Once you're in, you'll notice a list of your calendars on the left-hand side. Find the specific calendar you want to integrate with Notion. Click on the Options menu, which is represented by 3 vertical dots next to the calendar name. From this drop-down menu, select Settings and Sharing. Next, you'll need to navigate to the section labeled Integrate Calendar. Here, you should see the public URL or the embed code for your calendar. If your calendar is currently set to private, you might need to adjust its visibility settings. You can make your calendar public by toggling the Make Available to Public option. Alternatively, you could choose to share it specifically with your email address to ensure it remains accessible only to you. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, go ahead and copy the public URL or the embed code. With the calendar link in hand, it's time to switch over to Notion. Open the Notion page where you want to display your calendar. Notion is a versatile tool, and embedding your calendar is straightforward. In that Notion page, type the / command to bring up the block menu. You'll then type embed and select the embed option that appears. Paste the calendar URL into the field provided and press enter. Within a few moments, you should see your Google Calendar appear on the Notion page. Now, you can view and manage your calendar appointments directly from Notion, all without needing to switch back and forth between apps. Keep in mind that this is a one-way sync. Any changes you make in Notion will not automatically reflect back in Google Calendar. With your calendar embedded, all of your scheduled events will show inside Notion. By following these steps, you've effectively created a hub where your daily schedule and tasks can coexist, streamlining how you track upcoming events and deadlines. Integrating your Google Calendar into Notion not only maximizes efficiency, but also allows for a centralized workspace that keeps your priorities in check. I hope you found this guide helpful and are ready to boost your organization and productivity with this integration. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.